How to add pages to your navigation on Squarespace. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your actual website. Click on the website right here and proceed to click on Pages. Once you're in there, you can see all the pages that you currently have. As you have noticed on my site, I only have Store, Blog, and About on my navigation, but I also have Home and Courses. So in order to add specific pages on your navigation, you can either create a new one by clicking onto this plus icon and choosing what kind of page you want added. If you want to add an existing page, just head over and hold click that, drag it where you want to put it. Then after that, this will load your entire site and we should be able to find right here our courses. So as you can see, we have now in here this. You can just hold and drop it wherever you want to put it. You can also rearrange it in order to have it on the first part. And here it is right there. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.